Think you know English? Some perfectly normal British words might get you slapped in America, or worse, laughed at. Let's learn the hard way. 10 everyday words that mean completely different things in the UK and the US.
Word 1. Rubber. Hey, can I borrow your rubber?
What? That's disgusting.
Hey.
America, a rubber is slang for a condom. But in the UK, a rubber is just an eraser.
UK, rubber.
US, eraser.
So if a British kid says, "Can I borrow your rubber?" an American might faint or call the school board. Context is everything, especially during exams. Word 2. Fanny.
Excuse me, do you sell fanny packs?
You want what?
You know, for my phone and money. I love wearing them on my fanny.
Right. I think you mean a bum bag, love.
You know.
In America, fanny just means your bum, totally harmless. So a fanny pack is something you strap around your waist. But in the UK, fanny doesn't mean your backside. It's actually a very crude slang word for female genitals.
UK, bum bag.
US, fanny pack.
So next time you're in Britain, maybe avoid talking about your fanny in public. Unless you enjoy horrifying old ladies at the bus stop. Word 3. Pants.
Ooh, I like your pants.
Why are you looking at my pants?
Ah yes, pants. In America, they mean trousers. In Britain, they mean underwear. So this innocent compliment just got very awkward.
UK, trousers.
US, pants.
So when an American says, "My pants are wet," a British person imagines something deeply traumatic. Word 4. Suspenders.
I had to wear suspenders to keep them up all night.
Wait, you wore what?
Suspenders. Obviously. For my stockings.
Oh, I thought you meant, never mind.
In British English, suspenders mean a garter belt, part of sexy lingerie. But in American English, suspenders are what the Brits call braces, those vintage straps that hold your trousers up.
UK, braces.
US, suspenders.
So next time a British woman talks about her suspenders, just smile and don't picture your grandpa. Word 5. Knickers.
Oh no! I forgot to pack my knickers.
You forgot to what?
My knickers, you know, underwear.
Girl, I thought you said something illegal.
Britain, knickers just means women's underwear. Totally normal, totally harmless. The kind of word your grandma might use while folding laundry. But in America, nobody says knickers. At best, they think it's some old-timey bloomers.
UK, knickers.
US, panties.
At worst, they mishear it as a racial slur, which makes "don't get your knickers in a twist" sound a lot more dangerous than intended. Word 6. Dummy.
Where's the baby's dummy? He won't sleep without it.
Wait, your baby has a... what?
A dummy! The little sucky thing for babies.
Is your child sucking on a mannequin head?
In the UK, a dummy is just a pacifier, something to soothe a crying baby. But in American English, a dummy is either a mannequin, like a crash test dummy, or a complete idiot.
UK, dummy.
US, pacifier.
So when a British mum says he threw his dummy out of the pram, an American might picture a toddler hurling a mannequin across the room.
Word 7. Boot.
Hey, where's the trunk?
Oh, the boot's right at the back.
You keep your boots in the back of the car?
Well, only if you're going hiking.
In the UK, the boot of a car is what Americans call the trunk, not to be confused with your shoes on some trained or an elephant's nose.
UK, boot.
US, trunk.
And if someone tells you to pop the boot in Britain, They're not asking you to kick something.
Word 8. Pudding.
That was delicious. So, what's for dessert?
Pudding.
Oh, like chocolate pudding?
Excuse me? No, we're having sticky toffee pudding.
How is that even pudding?
In British English, pudding can mean any dessert, cake, pie, tart, even fruit with custard. In American English, it's a specific creamy dish like chocolate or vanilla, the kind you eat with a spoon and regret later.
UK, pudding.
U.S. dessert.
So if a Brit offers you pudding, don't expect a snack pack. You might get a steamed sponge cake drowning in hot toffee. And no, it doesn't jiggle like Jell-O. And if you enjoyed this mildly inappropriate trip through British English, do consider subscribing. It helps small, confused channels like mine grow.
Word 9. Biscuit.
Would you like a biscuit, love?
Ooh, yes, please. I love biscuits, especially with gravy.
Gravy? You monster!
In the UK, a biscuit is a sweet, crunchy snack, what Americans call a cookie. But in the US, a biscuit is a warm, buttery bread roll, often served with fried chicken and, yes, gravy.
UK, biscuit.
U.S. cookie.
So if a Brit offers you a biscuit, don't ask for mashed potatoes on the side.
Word 10. Jumper. I got this jumper after my nan died. Still smells like her.
You took a jumper from your dead grandma?
In the UK, a jumper is a warm, cosy sweater, often knitted by your nan, usually while watching Coronation Street. But in American English, a jumper can mean someone who jumps off things, like bridges or buildings. No one got arrested in this story, except the meaning itself.
UK, jumper.
U.S. sweater.
So next time a Brit says they got their nan's jumper, don't call the police. Just offer them a cup of tea.
Have you heard or used any of these? Let me know below. And please consider subscribing for more.